Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. In this one, we're gonna make a nice DiGiorno pizza, stuffed crust pepperoni pizza on the Traeger grill, on the Traeger smoker. So let's get started. So the first thing I want to mention is that I am gonna be using a pizza steel, as you see right here, but you can use a pizza stone, a pizza pan, you can even use a baking sheet if you want, I guess. But I like using the pizza steel. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the pizza steel in the Traeger before I fire it up. And then here's the pellets we're gonna be using. We're using the Signature. It's like a blend of good flavors. So yeah, let's go ahead and fill her up. So as the back of the box says on the DiGiorno pizza, we're gonna be cooking at around 400 degrees. But I did have to lower the temperature down like halfway through the cook because I had someone come over to buy something off me off Craigslist, so I had to have it cook longer. Alright, into the Traeger we go. We're at 400 degrees, so we're gonna go ahead and slide her in with the pizza peel. Here we go. And then at first, I'm just gonna set the timer to about 15 minutes, and that's when I'll give it a little peek, see how it's doing. Okay, so this is after the first 15 minutes. As you can see, it's still not quite done yet, so we're gonna actually let it go for another 15 minutes. Alright guys, let's give us a peek. Oh yeah. Pretty good. So as I mentioned in the video, we did actually lower the temperature of the Traeger down to about, I don't know, about 350 or 360. And we did this because we want the pizza to cook longer because we had someone coming over. But yeah, it came out pretty good though. Check out the crust real quick. Boom. And if you want, you can always add extra toppings. Like, I kind of wish I had some mushrooms to add, or olives, but it still came out pretty good. But anyways, the moral of this story, if you have a frozen pizza in your freezer, throw it on your Traeger. It came out great. But anyways, that's all I got for you guys for this video, and we'll see you in the next one.